Hi, this is a little watercolour that I did the other day that I was playing with. So today I'm going to show you how I use this liquid acrylic paint with to give the artwork just a different look. It's a look that I like to do with my artworks. You can see I've just a couple of drops into my palette there. I have dropped, and I'm going to be using this glass pen. I think it's a calligraphy pen things, so I enjoy using them. They give me a nice mark, and it's all about the mark making. So I just dip it into my little puddle, and by holding it really quite loosely and back a long way, and I like to start and work left to right so that I'm not putting my hand over anything that might be wet and it might get smudged. So you can see they're not straight lines, they're not completed lines. In fact, I like more of a broken line just to give it a little bit more interest. I'm certainly holding the pen very loosely so that there's a whole lot of play in my hand. I'm not gripping it, I'm not strangling it, trying to make it do anything in particular. In fact, I'm probably letting it skip across the paper. It's quite a coarse, rough grain paper that I've used, which the rougher the better at the moment with this. It tends to skip across the paper and give you a more random line. So here I'm just picking out where the petals are or might have been, and sometimes the petals, when I paint them, they will go off, fade out to the distance. So that's all I'm doing here. And you can really see that the pen is skipping across the paper, which gives me the more random lines of what I'm looking for. It's practice, but it certainly is something different. The acrylic ink is nice. It doesn't blend or mix with anything that's wet, so it tends to sit on top of the paper as well, which you can't really see here, but when you're looking at it as an artwork, it just tends to sit on top of the paper. So I'm still just working left to right, and where I think the petals are as well. You know, if there's petals fading out into the distance, you can see that. Some are lighter, some are darker. There's certainly some little areas that are heavier with the ink, but that's the look that I was looking for. It just gives a whole lot more randomness to the marks that I'm making, and interest as well. A little bit on the stems and the leaves, just picking up what I think's important in the picture. You'll see at the end I'll go back and just pick up a few little more highlights of what I think's important to make the picture a little more cohesive as an artwork as well. They really are loose, quick marks. It certainly doesn't take me long to finish it off, and the quicker I am and the less I think about it, always the better of what I think it's going to end up looking like. So we're just doing a few little interesting bits on the petals of the tulips there, just to give it a few more markings, and a little bit darker bits in places as well. Just a few little lines to show the shape of the cups of the petals of the tulips. And some things in the distance, and they're very light, just hardly even a mark on them. I think I go to do that in the background and decide not to. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.